Is it okay to install a Moen Magnetix Shower Head for an elderly patient with a defibrillator?
The rule for magets and defibrillators is thst: the magnet should not be within 6 inches of the device. Depending on how powerful the magnet is and how far the magnetic field extends outward. Magnetic fields in magnets in devices and machinery can inhibit pulse generators for ICDs and pacemakers. In ICDs in particular, magnets can activate a switch prohibiting the ICD from delivering vital signals such as life-saving shocks. If you are not sure how powerful the magnet is, it's better to avoid it altogether. I have included a link to an article for you that will tell you more and also provide other items that should be avoided. www.heart.org/n/health topics/arrhythmia/prevention treatment of arrhythmia/devices that may interfere with ICDs and pacemakers. If you are satisfied with this answer, please take a brief moment to rate our service by clicking the stars above so we can close this request, or if you have any other questions, please let me know so I can further assist you. Please remember to be safe when working with chemicals or doing repairs. Your safety is our #1 priority. Thank you kindly and have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.